Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a professional cleaning service website in WordPress using only free tools. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own site ready to impress clients and collect bookings, all for $0. Let's jump right in so you can get your cleaning business online without delay. First things first, let's set up the essential functionality with plugins. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section and search for WP Forms. This plugin will let you create beautiful, custom forms so potential clients can reach out to you directly. While you're there, also look up a free booking plugin. There are several great ones, but don't stress too much about which to pick at this stage. Installing both WP Forms and a booking plugin sets the foundation for client communication and appointment scheduling, two key pieces for any service-based business website. Once you have your plugins installed, it's time to make your site look the part. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Here you can browse a huge collection of free WordPress themes. Try searching for terms like cleaning, business, or services to find a design that fits the vibe you want. Remember, your theme is like choosing the uniform for your brand. It's the first thing people see, so take a moment to pick one that feels trustworthy and clean. After you find your theme, simply click Install and then Activate. Now your site instantly has a fresh visual identity. Next, let's make your new theme your own. Click Customize or Edit on your theme to start adding personal touches. This is where you get to inject personality and professionalism into your website. Upload a few well-lit photos of your team in action, your company logo, or sparkling clean spaces you've worked on. High-quality images help build trust. Just think of them as your virtual shop window. If you don't have original photos yet, don't worry, you can use free stock images just to get started. With your site looking sharp, it's time to make it functional. Let's add a contact form so clients can easily reach out. Go back to WP Forms, create a simple contact form requesting a name, email, and message. Once your form is ready, copy the shortcode that WP Forms gives you. We'll need this for embedding the form in a moment. Now, let's get your booking system up and running. Open your booking plugin, find the appointments area, and create a new appointment type. For example, standard cleaning session or deep clean consultation. Set the duration, availability, and any other key info. This step turns your site into a business tool, letting clients book visits without endless back-and-forth emails. Once you've set up your appointment type, the plugin will generate a shortcode as well. Don't skip this. Copy that code, then head back to the page editor on WordPress. Add a new block, choose shortcode, and paste the booking code right in. This is what actually displays the booking calendar or form on your page. You can add another shortcode block and paste in your WP Forms contact code too, so potential clients always know how to get in touch. When everything's in place, take a deep breath and hit publish. In just a short session, you've put together a professional website where visitors can see your services, get in touch, and even book appointments right away. Remember, you can keep improving your site as you learn more. Add testimonials, service descriptions, or a blog to showcase cleaning tips and success stories. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your amazing new cleaning service site.